Huh? Yeah, I got the battery. Do you have a lighter?
No.
So this is kind of my setup, and it's kind of my setup in my bucket. You got your controller. This is a CMC 60 HD Arbor Pro. Good job, Wilkins. Got your little handsaw here, chainsaw holder. We got our rigging anchors. We got our eye, and we got a little pulley. Then I put this little extra, I drilled a hole through the fiberglass bucket to put a little extra eye bolt. Goes through the GRCS, hooked up there. So in case we need it, I just got it hooked up, and let's get it rocking and rolling. What you want, get away from the machine. I just cut from the top, no undercut, snap and drop, flat. I want it to swing away from the machine. been a while too. That's all she wrote. Little reduction, weight cuts off the black olive that's been hat racked in the past, which I don't approve of. She wanted me to take a little bit off the house there. You can kind of see that limb right there that came way out above the house. Took that off and reduced a couple other limbs up there to get it off the house. Didn't do a lot of inner stuff because the tree is really bad off. I didn't want to shock it, and then a result of it dying. So that's what I did. No cleaning on that one. That's why there's a bunch of dead still up in there. I just did a bunch of reduction cuts off it. Remove this mango here. It's hanging way over the house. You can see in the beginning of the video, the homeowner tried to do it with all the limbs going this way and then got stuck. Couldn't do the stuff over the house. There was an old, I guess it was probably a foxtail palm or a Nydia palm that was badly infested with that Ganoderma, rotted away. And then there was a live Christmas palm here that she wanted us to take out. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you all for liking the video. Thank you all for subscribing. Thank you all. Have a great day and a kick-ass week. See you on the next one.